Hi. Hi.
Papa.
Bye-bye. Hi. Bye-bye. Hi. Hi. Where you going? Bye-bye. You gonna close the door?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, bye, Kalon. Bye-bye. Hello. Hi. Bye. Hi. Where'd the light go? Let's turn the light on. There we go. As you were. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi. Hi. Bye-bye. Hi. Bye. Hi. Bye. Hi. Bye. Hi. You gonna say hi? Hi. Boo. Me. Ready, set, go. Boom. Hi. Ready. Hi. Hi. Yeah? What? Bye. Hi. 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 Bye. Hi. Oh yeah, you gonna get that one too? Oh, you can't reach? There it is right there. You're not tall enough yet. Bye. Bye-bye. Hi. Oh, there's the light. Hello, light. Light on. Bye. 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 Bye-bye. Hi. Bye-bye. Hi. You taking that outside? Bye-bye, truck. rum, rum. At the door? You do it. Bye-bye. Now we're on the other side of things. Where are you going? Achoo! Achoo! Little push. Where are you going? Hmm? What's up? What do you want? Hmm? Is that the door? Want to open the door? Go open the door. Oh, you want me to do it? No? Pulling me back? Okay. Where are we going? Just pulling backwards? Pulling backwards. Here we go. Going backwards. Okay. That's the garage door. Is it warm? Hmm? Is it hot? It's cold and windy outside. Don't play with that. Come on. Let's go inside. Want to carry your truck? No? Where are you going? Worship the almighty garage door. Hmm? Come on. No! You know, you're going to be very surprised if Grandma and Papa come home. Come on, let's go inside. Yeah? Come on. Oh, gotta turn the light off. Come on, buddy. Let's go inside. Hey. Kalon. Kalon. Are you hungry? Come on. Bye. Hi. Bye. Hi. Bye. Woo. Hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Whoa. Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh, going back for the truck. What's it gonna be? The big giant wrap thing? Okay. Let's put the big giant wrap thing in the garage. Oh, nope, we're done with the garage now. Alrighty. You want to go upstairs? Okay. Turn the light off. Here we go. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, YouTube. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Whatever.